Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by completing the Heart of Deimos quest to unlock Necrolisk on Deimos. This step grants access to the Entrati Hub and the Necramech systems. Travel to Necrolisk and speak with Entrati family members to learn Necramech basics and available blueprints. Before hunting parts, gather base resources in the Deimos open world like organic polymers and fish oil. Bring a vehicle or companions to survive the environment and conserve time while farming resources efficiently. Focus on isolation vault bounties to earn Necramech parts and unique resources. Each isolation vault run can reward chassis, systems, or neuroptics parts for the Necramech. Supplement those runs with Deimos open-world bounties and conservation tasks to increase your part drop rates. Use a squad that can clear vaults quickly and keep your loadout optimized for survival. Track which part you need most and prioritize specific vault variants that historically drop that component. After gathering parts, buy the Necramech blueprint options from Entrati in Necrolisk. Confirm you have all required components and the needed credits before starting the craft. Place the blueprint and components into your foundry and begin assembly. Expect a 72 hours build time for a full Necramech. Optionally use rush payments if you want it sooner and have resources available. When the Necramech completes construction, equip it in your arsenal and deploy it in Deimos missions and vault runs for powerful heavy support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.